Hi, if you're having trouble with your Steam download speed, here's a few tips I can give you to try to fix that. So first, what you want to try to do is open up your task manager, and on your processes tab, anything that's eating up your network should be turned off, so you can just make enough space for Steam to use your network. The second thing you can do is you can turn off the metered connection. So to turn off the metered connection, press the Windows key and I. That'll open this window. And then you can go to Network and Internet Settings. Click on whichever way you're connected, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I'm connected with Ethernet. And then you can see the option Metered Connection. Make sure this is off, because like it says here, if you have limited data, you can control the amount of data that you output. So that you don't pay over a certain data amount. Okay, after that we can clear the Steam cache. So to clear the Steam cache, you need to open Steam on your desktop. Just give me a second. For some reason Steam keeps opening very slowly. There we go. Then in the top left you have the Steam icon. You can go down to settings and go down to downloads. In the download section, you can see clear download cache. You want to clear this cache. It's going to clear all your download cache, and then you have to restart your Steam. Steam will probably automatically restart, and you'll be good to go. Next, what you can do is check if Steam bandwidth is limited. So you can go again to Steam settings, again in the downloads tab, and after that we can find, just give me a second, limit download speed. So if your download speed here is limited, make sure to uncheck this, because the same as it limits your data usage in your Windows, it can limit it on Steam separately. And the last thing you want to do is check your network adapter drivers. You can do that using a software like Advanced Driver Update. An Advanced Driver Update is going to scan your system for all the drivers that are not up to date fully. It can give you a list of drivers that need updating. So here I have 4, or as it says, I have 6 unupdated drivers, and I can just update them for free, update, and I'm good to go. Hope that helps.